Today, we have a fun and relatable topic for you: how to avoid a hangover after drinking. We'll use some easy-to-understand analogies to explain the science behind it all. So let's dive right in. Imagine your body as a city, and alcohol is like a fleet of delivery trucks entering the city. The liver is the main processing center, responsible for handling and breaking down these delivery trucks. Alcohol. When you drink more than your liver can process, the excess alcohol circulates through your body, causing damage to various systems, just like unattended delivery trucks, causing chaos in the city. This leads to hangover symptoms like headaches, nausea, and fatigue. Now, let's discuss some strategies to avoid hangovers, using our city analogy. Limit the number of delivery trucks. Drink in moderation, giving your liver enough time to process the alcohol efficiently. Think of it as scheduling a limited number of delivery trucks, ensuring your city, body, can handle the load without getting overwhelmed. Provide your liver with backup support. Eat food especially before and during drinking. Food acts as a buffer, slowing down the absorption of alcohol. Imagine the food as additional processing centers, helping your main liver processing center to handle the increased workload. Stay hydrated. Alcohol is a diuretic, causing your body to lose water and leading to dehydration. Drink water or non-alcoholic beverages between alcoholic drinks. Water acts as a protective barrier around the city, preventing damage from the delivery trucks and keeping the city functioning smoothly. Choose your delivery trucks wisely. Opt for drinks with lower alcohol content or mix alcoholic beverages with water or soda to reduce the overall alcohol intake. Choose smaller or slower delivery trucks, reducing the stress on your city's infrastructure. And there you have it. By following these simple strategies, you can help your body process alcohol more efficiently and avoid the unpleasant symptoms of a hangover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative content.